Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring alarm, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Ring alarm system. Check that all components are included in the package. You should have the base station, keypad, contact sensors, motion detectors, and the Ring app. Begin by plugging in the base station. Connect it to a power outlet using the included power adapter. Wait for the base station to power on and connect to your Wi-Fi. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection in your home. Next, download the Ring app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create a Ring account if you don't already have one. Follow the prompts to log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on Set up a device. Select Security Devices from the list. Choose Ring Alarm to begin the setup process. The app will guide you through connecting the base station to your Wi-Fi network. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your Wi-Fi password. Once connected, the app will confirm that your base station is online. Now, let's set up the keypad. Take the keypad out of its packaging. Mount it on a wall or place it on a flat surface near your entrance. Remove the battery tab to activate the keypad. Press the home button to ensure it's powered on. Next, you will add contact sensors. Choose a door or window to secure first. Peel the adhesive backing from the contact sensor. Attach one part to the door or window frame and the other part to the moving part. Make sure they align when closed. Repeat this process for all doors and windows you want to secure. Now, let's set up the motion detectors. Select a location that covers a large area, ideally in a corner. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.